Using the incorrect amount of detergent and softener on your laundry can be costly and even damage your clothes. The Hoover Care Dose feature takes care of this for you and eliminates any confusion. Simply fill up the compartments with liquid detergent and softener. And the built-in technology will measure the amount of laundry inside and auto-dose each cycle with exactly the correct amount of detergent for the perfect wash every time. By not wasting any detergent, you are not only saving money and time, you are also making sure your clothes are kept in optimum condition. Lasting up to 21 cycles before you have to refill again will also save you effort on every wash cycle you do. And don't worry, if you're a fan of powder or tablet detergents, you can simply choose to turn the feature off or use the single wash compartment. So now you can have carefree washing to make your life easier with the help of the Care Dose feature.